How to verify your Cash App account. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily verify your Cash App account. First thing you have to do is open up your Cash App and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you can find your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can just tap on it. Once you tap on that, you'll find different options like your information. So you basically have to tap on your personal information right here down below. And once you tap on personal, you can find your address and contact info. You just need to make sure that you verify your email and your address. So simply tap on the add email button or address and then enter the address for your account as well as your email address. And once you've done that, they will send you an email for verification. Then you can just verify your email to verify your Cash App account. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next